Hi everyone, my name is Carlo. I work at the Technical University of Berlin, which is part of the openEntrance consortium, and in this short video I'm going to present you a first impression of our quantitative scenarios for low-carbon futures of the pan-European energy system. In the beginning of the project, 4 different storylines for the future European energy system were developed, which we called 1. Directed transition, defined by a strong incentive-based policy push. 2. Societal commitment, characterized by a sustainable society willing to take action. 3. Techno-friendly, focusing on breakthrough of novel technologies and general technological improvements. And 4. Gradual development, where, to a lesser degree, aspects of all other 3 scenarios are being considered. These 4 storylines were then quantified and implemented into the global energy system model GENeSYS-MOD. Europe was split into 30 regions, mostly single countries, and the resulting pathways show possible developments from 2015 to 2050. Taking a look at the primary energy demand across all 4 scenarios, the first impression is that they do not differ substantially. When keeping in mind that they all show futures compliant with a 1.5 or 2 degrees Celsius climate target, it becomes clear that immediate accelerated action is required, regardless of which scenario will be closest to the truth. Overall, primary energy demand decreases by about 50%, which can mainly be attributed to high electrification rates and thus higher energy conversion efficiencies in currently fossil-dominated sectors like buildings, industry, or transportation. These increasing electrification rates are also mirrored in the increase in power production. When compared across the pathways, the improved efficiencies in the techno-friendly scenario lead to the least amount of produced electricity. Interestingly, the directed transition pathway leads to the highest amount of electricity in the intermediate term, which stays stable after climate targets were achieved in 2040. In contrast, gradual development does not seem to be gradual at all, showing the highest electricity values in 2050, which can be explained by less demand reduction and less technological improvement compared to the other scenarios. Another interesting result is that the levels of hydrogen usage seem to be a major factor for development in the power sector. Taking a look at gradual development and societal commitment, their high amount of hydrogen consumption also lead to their comparably high values of electricity production. I hope this short video gave you a good first impression of the work we conducted so far in the openEntrance project. All results will be made publicly available at later stages of the project. More information on that or GENeSYS-MOD can be found in the description below. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.